So today on Will at Home, we're going to create Nanjing lamb, which is basically more of a northern Chinese dish that sort of provinces of Uzbekistan and Nanjing as well. And so this dish is quite spicy. You also see this dish also in the northern parts of Thailand as well. It's a very cumin and coriander and fennel seed kind of flavors that we have in here. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to just grind off our spices that we've toasted. So just add in some fennel, add in some coriander seed. So the fennel is about 1, coriander seed is about 2 parts, cumin is about 1 part, and salt is about 1 part. So, and then we're just going to grind this up. Give it a bit of a pound. And then we can use lamb on this, is what we're using. And I've kept the lamb with a little bit of fat on there, so that will melt down into the grill and give a great sort of flavor. And it will kind of spark back up, giving loads of sort of lamby aromas. Okay, that should be it, done. I'm just gonna take this spice and that's it there. And then we're just gonna add that in to here. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. Not too much, just a drizzle, just to wet it slightly. There we go. We get our lamb, we just mix that through. You can see the chilies clinging to the lamb, starting to give it a nice dark color. Right, and then we're going to skewer this on. So the lamb needs to be cut quite small. Grab these skewers, just go 1. You can use bigger skewers as well, probably be better. This is what I have on hand. Get a nice little bit of end lamb there, a bit of fat on. There we go. And this is good to be marinated for about an hour as well. Okay, so now we're ready to start grilling. So we'll just add that on here. There we go. Okay, there we go. So here's our Nanjing lamb. And we're just going to plate that on here. Beautiful. And then we're going to serve this with a Nanjing Jaew. And then we toast a little bit of sesame seeds over there. And here is our Nanjing lamb with Nanjing Jaew and sesame seeds.